All right, guys, we're back with the Model 3, and there's a box here. Now, what is in this box? Got new covers for the car, but these are a little weird. So without further ado, let's get started with the video right now. All right, so these are AeroDisk from the guys. Shout out to the guys at Tesery for sending these out to me. I actually wanted to run and get a little bit more efficiency and range since I'm driving the car more, and I want to be able to get great range. And what to do that with a full AeroDisk, which completely covers any holes in the wheel at all. And considering the fact that I don't use brakes because of regenerative braking, that these should be make this car extremely efficient on long distance drives. I will be making a separate video on that, comparing these to these. And yeah, so pretty much it's just gonna be a quick installation, and I just can't wait to see them installed. So let's get set up and let's take those off and put these on. Oh, guys, what do you think? It looks kind of cool. I actually kind of like it. It looks kind of weird at first, but I think it looks kind of cool. I'll rock these for a little while. I still have these, if anything. I still have those, if anything, if I end up not liking these, and I can always revert back. But I kind of like them. I'm gonna rock them for a little while for sure and see how I like them. Definitely dope. You know what, honestly, I have to say, it's really not that bad. It really doesn't look bad at all. I actually like the way it looks. I think the white kind of ties into the white body, and then the black accents on the AeroDisk tie into the black accents on the car. So it's kind of all uniform. Kind of gives it this futuristic Tron look. But yeah, man, I love the way these came out. I mean, it's definitely different, for sure. Definitely different. Definitely different for sure, but I think it gives it a unique look. This is what I like now because of the fact that it doesn't look like every Tesla on the road. This makes it at least stand out a little bit more than all the other Model 3s out on the road. Shout out to Tesery for sending this out to me. I'm actually going to put the link for these down below. You can get different designs on the aero caps, and you can also get the AeroDisk in black as well. I want the white, so the white can pop out a little bit more. But yeah, I will put these down in the description down below. And obviously I'm an affiliate with Tesery, so you will get a discount off these as well. But what I want to do now, I want to take this out. I'm gonna unplug and go out. It's the evening time. I have to go to a couple places anyway. So let's look at it out in the wild and see what it looks like. Now, it kind of looks good. It looks weird, but it kind of looks good. I like the way this looks with the white wheels and the white and the black and the, it looks different, but it doesn't look bad. Tell me what you guys think, man. If you like this, if you like I'm letting you guys know, these actually will, first of all, they do very well with range. I've heard people getting an extra 15 to 20 miles of range because these are completely aerodynamic. Second of all, it looks cool. Like, it just looks different. And that's why I really like it. I'm sorry about the wind. It's the fall for you. But yeah, I got these from Tesery.com. I am an affiliate. So if you are interested in these or anything else on Tesla's website, please go to the description in this video and look. And you will be able to use my discount code. I will put that in the description where you can purchase anything from Tesery, as well as these AeroDisk caps, because these things are fire. But guys, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. You guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle. That's clean.